In this video, we bring to you a magnificent retreat built entirely out of shipping containers located in Thurstonfield, United Kingdom. Welcome back. This magnificent house is built using 4 20-foot shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together to create over 650 square feet of bespoke luxury living. The interior container walls were cut out to create a large open plan living space. On one end of this cozy retreat is a comfy space with classically elegant seats that are perfect for relaxation and entertainment. The living space is equipped with a wood-burning fireplace to keep warm during cold winters. Next to the lounge is a dining space, nicely furnished with a custom dining set big enough to seat up to 6 people. The full-height glass doors open wide to catch on cross breezes for natural cooling and ventilation. The home's kitchen is a modern compact space, fully fitted with essential kitchen appliances. The kitchen has wood countertops and enough under-the-counter storage cabinets. The kitchen area spills out through the large glass doors to the patio area, extending the indoor dining space to the outdoors. Next to the lounge area is a cozy bed space fitted with a comfy double bed, creating a studio space environment. Of the living space is a fully tiled bathroom, nicely fitted with a toilet, a sink space, a shower, and a washer-cum-dryer. The color palette of the house interior is white and bright, making the space look bigger, creating that illusion of large indoor space. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible from outside and are painted in dark colors to allow the building to retreat into its vegetative landscape. This amazing studio cabin is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.